Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Kali Linux's top 10 phone tracking tools for 2026. Whether you're a penetration tester, investigator, or just curious, these tools reveal how tracking works and how to defend against it. Remember, use these tools legally and ethically, only on devices you have permission to test. Let's jump right in. First up is PhoneInfoga, a powerful and versatile tool that has quickly become a favorite among OSINT professionals and cybersecurity enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned investigator or just starting out in the world of open-source intelligence, PhoneInfoga offers a user-friendly entry point for phone number investigations. This tool is your go-to solution for gathering information about phone numbers from all over the globe. With just a few commands, you can initiate a search that taps into a wide range of public sources, making it incredibly efficient for anyone needing quick, reliable results. PhoneInfoga excels at collecting essential details such as the country of origin, carrier information, and even whether the number has appeared in known data breaches. This means you can rapidly assess the risk or relevance of a phone number in your investigation, all without leaving a trace or alerting the target. One of the standout features of PhoneInfoga is its speed and open-source nature. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with Kali Linux, making it a natural fit for penetration testers and digital investigators who rely on robust, trustworthy tools. While PhoneInfoga won't hack into devices or access private data, it's invaluable for mapping out a phone number's digital footprint. This makes it perfect for the reconnaissance stage of any investigation, where understanding the broader context is key. You can automate your searches, export your findings for further analysis, and even connect phone numbers to potential online identities or social media accounts. This level of automation and connectivity saves time and ensures you don't miss critical links. Whether you're conducting penetration testing, digital forensics, or investigative journalism, PhoneInfoga is a reliable companion. Just remember to use it ethically and within the boundaries of the law. So if you're about to embark on an OSINT investigation, make PhoneInfoga your first stop. It's the perfect entry point to uncovering the story behind any phone number and setting the stage for deeper digital research. Next up, we have Trape, a sophisticated and highly effective phishing-based tracking tool that has become a favorite among cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers. Trape stands out for its ability to simulate real-world phishing attacks, allowing security teams to test their defenses and train employees in a controlled environment. This tool is designed to mimic the tactics used by malicious actors, but in a safe and ethical way, making it invaluable for organizations looking to bolster their security posture. With Trape, you can easily set up phishing campaigns that collect a wealth of real-time data whenever someone interacts with your link. This includes not just IP addresses and geolocation, but also browser details, operating system information, and even the device type. The moment a target clicks on a suspicious link, Trape springs into action, mapping their location and providing detailed analytics that help you understand how users respond to phishing attempts. The web dashboard is intuitive and visually appealing, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned professionals to navigate. Trape also supports integration with other security tools, enabling advanced testing scenarios and comprehensive reporting. This flexibility allows teams to tailor their phishing simulations to match real-world threats, ensuring that training and testing are as effective as possible. Trape is especially popular for red team exercises, where security experts simulate attacks to uncover vulnerabilities within an organization. It's also widely used in security awareness training, helping employees recognize and respond to phishing threats before they become a problem. By exposing users to realistic scenarios, Trape helps build a culture of vigilance and preparedness. One of the key strengths of Trape is its commitment to staying current. The tool is updated regularly to adapt to the latest browser changes and security patches, ensuring that your simulations remain effective and relevant in an ever-evolving threat landscape. However, it's crucial to remember that Trape should only be used with explicit permission and within legal boundaries. Unauthorized phishing, even for testing, is illegal and can have serious consequences. Always ensure you have the proper approvals before conducting any simulations. For anyone looking to demonstrate real-world phishing risks, improve security awareness, or test organizational defenses, Trape is an essential tool that brings precision, realism, and valuable insights to the table. No list is complete without Metasploit framework. It's the gold standard for penetration testers, with modules targeting Android and iOS. Use it to exploit, track, or remotely control phones if you have authorization. Metasploit's modularity and huge community mean constant updates and adaptability. It integrates well with other tools and provides detailed reporting. Always get written permission before using Metasploit. Used right, it's essential for professional mobile security testing. Maltego transforms investigations by visualizing connections. Its graph-based interface maps how phone numbers link to emails, social accounts, and locations. Run automated transforms to pull intel from public databases. Extend Maltego with plugins or custom scripts for deeper analysis. Visual graphs make patterns and fraud rings easy to spot. Popular among investigators for seeing the big picture. Always investigate with permission and respect privacy laws. The Social Engineering Toolkit, or SET, is a powerful open-source framework designed to simulate some of the most sophisticated social engineering attacks in the world of cybersecurity. SET allows security professionals and ethical hackers to test how vulnerable an organization or individual might be to manipulation-based threats, such as phishing, spear phishing, and credential harvesting. By mimicking real-world attack scenarios, SET helps organizations identify weak points in their human defenses before malicious actors can exploit them. With SET, you can craft highly customized phishing campaigns, clone legitimate websites with just a few clicks, or build convincing fake login pages to see how users respond. These simulations can even be tailored to target mobile devices, gathering phone data and testing multi-factor authentication responses. The toolkit's versatility makes it a favorite among penetration testers and security teams. One of SET's greatest strengths is its flexibility. It automates complex attack processes, saving time and reducing human error, while also integrating seamlessly with other cybersecurity tools and frameworks. This means you can launch multi-layered campaigns that combine phishing, malware delivery, and data tracking, all from a single interface. The user-friendly interface guides you step by step, making it accessible even for those new to social engineering testing. Detailed instructions and prompts ensure that each phase of the campaign is clear, from setup to execution and reporting. SET is specifically designed for ethical hacking, security awareness training, and professional development. It's a vital tool in classrooms, workshops, and corporate environments, helping teams understand how attackers exploit human psychology and behavior. Remember, the goal is always to strengthen defenses, not to cause harm. Before running any campaigns, always obtain explicit written permission from the organization or individuals involved. Ethical hacking relies on trust and transparency, and unauthorized testing can have serious legal and ethical consequences. Ultimately, the Social Engineering Toolkit is essential for understanding the human side of cybersecurity. By simulating real attacks in a controlled environment, SET empowers organizations to educate their teams, improve their defenses, and stay one step ahead of cybercriminals. Now, let's talk ADB Toolkit, Android Debug Bridge. It lets you communicate directly with Android devices for tracking, managing, or recovering data. Pull device info, track apps, read logs, or geolocate if you have permission. Remote access via Wi-Fi enables large-scale device management. Great for deploying test payloads or retrieving GPS data. Requires USB debugging and authorization. No shortcuts here. For Android analysis, ADB Toolkit is a must-have. Wireshark is the go-to for network traffic analysis. It captures and analyzes packets from any device on your network, including phones. Spot device IPs, unencrypted messages, and suspicious activity. Use filters to zero in on specific devices or protocols. Wireshark is passive, ideal for monitoring without disruption. You need network access and permission to capture traffic. If you want to see what's really happening on your network, Wireshark is essential. For tracking on the go, check out Kali NetHunter. It brings desktop-class pentesting tools to Android devices, your portable hacking lab. Run Metasploit, Gsmmap, and custom scripts from your phone. Touch controls and mobile interfaces make attacks approachable anywhere. Open source and community-driven, NetHunter is always evolving, perfect for fieldwork and real-world red teaming. Use it ethically. Mobility means responsibility. Gsmmap analyzes GSM network vulnerabilities worldwide. It maps security ratings, outdated encryption, and protocol weaknesses. Identify which networks are easier to intercept or monitor. The global map interface tracks security by region and over time, great for researchers and privacy advocates. Gsmmap focuses on infrastructure, not hacking devices. Follow local laws when collecting or sharing network data. Finally, Sherlock tracks digital identities across social media. Input a phone number or username, and Sherlock scans hundreds of platforms, discover linked profiles, and map out digital footprints. Fast, thorough, and scriptable for bulk investigations. Combine Sherlock with other tools for a full profile. Designed for ethical OSINT, never for stalking or harassment. Use Sherlock to protect and inform, not invade privacy. That's our rundown of the top 10 Kali Linux phone tracking tools for 2026. Use these tools ethically and legally, never without permission. Subscribe for more on cybersecurity tools and trends. Drop a comment with your favorite tool or what you want to see next. Stay safe, stay ethical, and see you in the next one.